2021 Ford Transit Custom with a Starline Solaris alarm system. So if we just lock the vehicle, give it time to set, this system has 2 additional shock sensors on both rear doors, so whether they try and attack the side door or the rear door, as soon as it feels an impact, it's going to trigger the alarm. When that happens, your phone's going to ring to let you know someone's trying to steal your vehicle, break into it, steal your tools. It's going to fire the horn so everyone around knows what's going on, and it's going to immobilise the vehicle. To it, force one of the doors open, pick the barrel, vehicle's going to go off. We'll just disarm it for the neighbours. As you heard, the horn's really loud, it keep going for a given time and then wait for another attack. As you can see, it's ringing us, the Solaris alarm system on this Transit Custom. So we'll just answer that. If we're a couple minutes away, we don't hear the horn going, we're going to get a phone call. It's going to let us know someone's in the vehicle trying to steal it. Whether it's hit, lifted, moved, they apply a force to either rear doors or force any of the doors open. Even if they have the key in the barrel, it's going to call you. So now we unlock it, hop in. Thief's got the key, whether they've stolen it, done a relay attack, made a new one. They get in to try and start the vehicle. It's going to start and immediately switch off, unable to drive it away. So what you've got to do, turn the ignition on, either have your phone in the pocket and start straight away. 1, 2, 3. If not, put your code in, double bleep, double flash, foot on the brake, start the vehicle, and you can drive off. So this system, as well as protecting if someone tries to attack the vehicle to steal the tools, if they also clone a key, make a new key, go to drive the vehicle away, try and steal the whole thing, they need a push sequence because the key's just not enough. Push sequence or phone, you can drive off. Without that, the vehicle's going to stall out and they're going to be unable to drive it. This is the Starline Solaris. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.